Oh my goodness! It's a tornado! We need to get to the tornado bunker! Mommy, what are you doing? We have to get to the tornado bunker now! There's a tornado! What do you mean? There ain't no tornado. Oh, there is a tornado! We gotta get to the tornado bunker! I hate my ex. What do you mean your ex? Matter of fact, I used to date the tornado. Yep, I call him Tornado John. But John's a sub. Wait, but that's a tornado. That ain't a person. Unless...